Their love for balls starts at birth. It's that natural football instinct.
Hey everyone! In today's challenge, spot this image in our clips and comment which video number it appears in. Stay till the end to test your eagle eyes. Let's go!
Oh my god.
Naomi, where you going?
Winter isn't just fun for humans. Dogs know how to enjoy it too.
What are you looking for?
Nope. Oh, okay. Oh.
What is going on? Back up. It's cold.
Bella, do you like celery?
Healthy doesn't mean tasty. Here, human, you eat this celery yourself.
Bailey, you want a treat?
Dasher, do you want broccoli?
You better eat this shit.
Braulio, lechuga. No quiere. Pollito.
Do you want cheese? You want broccoli? Broccoli.
Furry Olympic figure skating champions. Triple toe loop? Easy. Friendship comes in all forms. For example, like this.
Wonder why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Nah.
Come on.
This moment right here, drop a like and comment the number 45 below.
Come on. It's okay. It's just a kitty kitty.
Calm down.
Hey, excuse me.
They know how to have a good time. Hit like and subscribe if you party just as hard.
No. Oh, hold on. Don't panic. Oh, okay.
I can't even.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you.
Oh, my. That son bitch head.
What are you doing?
Stand up! Put the cat down! Stand up! Put her down! It's not funny!
Are you serious? Bo!
Yeah, bien.
Friendship comes in all forms. For example, like this. Watch what happens when these floofs have an IQ over 200.
Show me the orange.
Did he?